Greetings, Oitlins. The word sake, S-A-K-E. What does it mean? What's a sake? A sake. For Pete's sake, for Christ's sake, for God's sake, and for pity's sake. What's a sake? I looked it up in the dictionary. In the real dictionary. Not the Slacker's dictionary. Okay, so that's why you're listening to this video, because you're not a slacker when it comes to words. Or at least you don't want to be. Right. So, a sake is a lawsuit. Or it's the handling of an accusation, the response to an accusation. For pity's sake. So, why do people say for Christ's sake, for Pete's sake? Those who have reverence toward Christ, toward God, for God's sake, if they've heard the expression so many times that it loses its heartfelt meaning, they don't want to reproduce it, so this is conjectural, have substituted for pity's sake, which might have first been for Pete's sake, which means Peter the apostle sake. Look for explanations of the words Christ and God sometime.